Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at oil on the daily and weekly. So big time bullish reaction, follow through to the inventory report. And we are looking back at resistance of 48.46. That was the last lower high that was hit. That's the next key level. The bulls are in full control of the shorter term time frames. We'll look at it here on the hourly in a moment. Looking for a bullish MACD cross on the daily. And a close at the high of the day suggests strength. So the weekly time frame, big bullish candlestick after 2 weeks of pullback. Bulls want a bullish MACD cross here on the weekly as well. And that 100-week 48.67 is very key resistance. If the bulls get above that, they will break the previous lower high that has formed and be looking to see the high of this bounce, 51.67. That is the next main resistance level to be watching on the weekly time frame. And for oil, the hourly chart, very bullish. And we've been watching this uptrend. And you can see the bullish reaction to the inventory report, but it was a very clear profit-taking signal. A bearish inverted hammer or a gravestone doji, close enough to be either in my opinion. Bearish reversal candlestick. Let's see what they say here. Bearish doji star, close enough. It's a gravestone doji. But we've got a confirmation of it the next candlestick, and then further consolidation to the downside. So the signals was an RSI at 80, that's overbought, the bearish reversal candlestick, and then confirmation of it leading to the downside. The 4-hour chart is seeing a red bearish reversal candlestick with an RSI of 70. We'll see if that's going to cool off as well. So in terms of support, we're looking at a couple uptrend lines. I've got a further back uptrend line, and looking like I used a different time frame for this one, so we'll disregard that. We've got the strongest uptrend line here, hitting the consolidation low just before the breakout, and that's all the way down in the 46.50s, 46.60s. So we could see a 70-cent move to the downside, but the more candlesticks that form and the more sideways we trade, the higher that support level is going to be. So we'll be keeping on that level, keeping an eye on that level for a potential bullish entry. And our resistance is very clear, that weekly 100-week resistance and also the high of that candlestick, which is up here at 48.45. Actually 48.46 to be exact. And that's the key level to be watching. So 48.46, 48.67. Tough resistance ahead. Bulls are very strong, needing to consolidate on the short-term time frames. And we'll see if we get a nice bullish entry opportunity into tomorrow if we have sufficient consolidation overnight. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night. Make sure and check out Chart Guys James, new addition to the team. He makes some gold and oil videos as well. He just started making videos. And we put out videos covering the same topics, and we don't run them by each other first. We're not collaborating and cross-referencing our ideas. So my opinion and his opinion are completely unbiased of each other, and that, I feel, gives a nice glimpse into what two completely different people with no bias in either direction are feeling about the charts. So make sure and check his out. We'll be posting those videos on our Stocktwits as well. So if you see two different kinds of videos for oil and gold, it's because one is from James and one is from Dan. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.